What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. And we're back at you today with a hot one, guys. We all heard the saying before, money can't buy happiness, money can't buy love, money, 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 blah, blah, blah. But today, we're going to talk about 5 things money actually can buy, so stay tuned.
To start this off, we have time as number one. Not in the sense of you can buy back your time, but you can have more time throughout your day with additional income if you're spending money towards it. So say that you have a business that you're running and you're doing phone calls every single day, or you're running operations, or you have to schedule people. If you make and generate enough revenue, you can employ someone to do that. You can buy your time back. You can replace that work schedule of all of those things that you have to do with an employee that can do that for you. And now you have more time to do other things, to maybe explore your hobbies or other interests, or travel across the world, whatever it may be. Time is one of the major things that you can buy back with money.
Remember, guys, as an entrepreneur, business professional, whatever you want to call yourself, you always want to focus on the income producing aspects of your day-to-day. So some of these things don't necessarily bring you income, but since you have the extra income coming in from your money, you can then hire someone, so now you get your time back to focus more on the income producing activities throughout your day-to-day in your business. Next, guys, we're going to roll right into it. Health-related issues, guys. Insurance in this country is a funny thing, guys. You never know how good or how bad your insurance is until it's time for you to use your insurance. We're here to tell you now, guys, despite having insurance, you're still going to need money to cover a health emergency expense, guys. So money is crucial, guys. So health-related issues or related issues can help you if you have money. Because the more money you have, guys, it will actually afford you the opportunity to have better doctors to evaluate you. The more money you have, guys, it will afford you better opportunities to have better doctors to evaluate you. Better procedures potentially could be done on you depending on what the situation is, guys. So this is why this is important. Money will help you with health-related issues.
Number 3, we have assets. Now, the old cliche saying, money can't buy happiness. And yes, that may be true, but guess what? I've never seen anyone sad on a jet ski or doing anything in the water. Maybe it's a boat, you're doing tubing, whatever it may be. You don't do that stuff if you're miserable. You do that stuff because you're happy and you're enthusiastic about it. Money buys things that are fun, things that you can do, like it could buy you a luxurious mansion, or buy you a baby grand piano, maybe buy you those dream pair of tennis shoes you may have. Anything that falls in the category of an asset, money can buy. And so that's why we encourage, make as much as you can, because assets may not make you or bring you happiness, but you can enjoy them.
We're rolling right into it, guys. Number 4, guys, your dream trip, guys. Now, you may want to think to yourself, what about my dream trip? What about it? How about you go to Japan to see the cherry blossoms? Or you go do things like Dubai, world's tallest building, Egypt, pyramids, or even events such as the World Cup that happens every 4 years. That's going to take money, guys. So, as you know, money doesn't grow on trees, but having money can afford you the opportunities to explore your dreams and things that you're curious about, guys. Get you some money, guys.
And lastly, we have peace of mind. Think about most of your problems. Think about the majority of your problems. What do the majority of them start with? Usually, it's probably money. I don't know what the exact statistic is, but a lot of divorces or marriage hardships, relationship hardships.
Over 65%.
Yeah, it's with dealing with finances. Money allows you to have peace of mind, because when you're not worried about when the next check is coming, you can focus on better things. You can focus on being a better person, your mental health. You can focus on things you want to do in this life, date ideas, whatever it may be. Peace of mind is one of the biggest things that money offers you. And that is one of the biggest things you could take away from this entire episode.
There you have it, guys. The top 5 things money can buy. Let us know. Are we some superficial clowns, or are we onto something where we're exposing the truth about how money can be used as a tool, right, So let us know down in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. Live adventurously.